The most dangerous sentence in all of estate planning is, oh, I did one of those online. Please don't do this online. Here's what I keep seeing with those online products. Empty trusts. There's nothing in them. These documents really aren't going to do much after you're gone. A power of attorney that is not state specific, isn't signed by a lawyer, and it either isn't there at all, or it's going to fail if somebody tries to bring it to a bank. Guardianship of minor children. The names of the children, sometimes their birth dates, and even their social security numbers listed in a pour-over will or in a will that needs to be lodged with a court when you die. What an incredible invasion of privacy and an opportunity for identity theft, and also plans that 100% contradict your prenup. My name is Patricia DeFonte, and I'm the founder of DeFonte Law, where we practice estate planning with heart. DIY products do not have malpractice insurance. DIY products, you don't know the questions to ask yourself to actually meet your goals. Estate planning is complicated. Don't let anybody tell you you're so simple, you can just do it by yourself online. How rude. You can find us online at estateplanningwithheart.com, and we work with clients all over California. Learn more at estateplanningwithheart.com.